Here are 10 types of beans and their health benefits. 1. Black beans. Benefits: rich in antioxidants, fiber, protein, and iron. They support digestive health, regulate blood sugar levels, and contribute to heart health by lowering cholesterol. 2. Kidney beans. Benefits: high in protein, fiber, and iron. They help maintain muscle mass, improve digestion, and are great for heart health by reducing LDL cholesterol. 3. Chickpeas garbanzo beans. Benefits: packed with fiber, protein, and vitamins like folate and iron. They help control blood sugar, improve digestion, and support heart and bone health. For pinto beans, benefits: rich in fiber, protein, and folate. Pinto beans improve gut health, reduce the risk of heart disease, and stabilize blood sugar levels. 5. Lentils. Benefits: lentils are high in protein, fiber, iron, and folate, supporting heart health, aiding in digestion, and helping with muscle recovery and anemia prevention. 6. Navy beans. Benefits: these beans are high in fiber, promoting digestive health, lowering cholesterol, and providing protein and essential nutrients like folate and magnesium for overall health. 7. Adzuki beans. Benefits: rich in fiber, protein, and antioxidants. Adzuki beans support digestive health, improve blood sugar control, and promote heart health. 8. Cannellini beans. Benefits: they are a great source of fiber and protein, helping to lower cholesterol, stabilize blood sugar, and promote healthy digestion. 9. Fava beans. Benefits: high in protein, fiber, iron, and magnesium. Fava beans boost bone health, improve heart function, and support muscle growth. 10. Soybeans edamame. Benefits: a complete protein. Soybeans provide all essential amino acids, are rich in antioxidants, and help reduce cholesterol levels, support bone health, and balance hormones. Each type of bean offers unique nutritional benefits that contribute to overall health, especially for heart, digestive, and metabolic functions.